In this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can enable the only me option on your post on Facebook. So it's a pretty simple option to find, very simple. I'll teach you step by step right now. So first and foremost, head over to the bottom right hand corner and click on the menu option. Now this option is actually going to be at the bottom right hand corner. Click it, menu, and then head over to settings and privacy and click settings. Now here you're going to want to head down until you find the post option under audience and visibility. Just go ahead and click the post right here option, and when you do, it's actually going to say who can see your future posts. All you got to go ahead and do is click on the first option here and click only me and then save it. That'll basically limit who sees your post on Insta or not Instagram but Facebook, and it'll pretty much make it private, only me mode on your post. So that's how you go ahead and do it. That's how you go ahead and enable the only me option on Facebook for people seeing your posts. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like, subscribe. I will see you all for the next video.